today we are making slime. And we have to try to read each other's mind. And we have to do rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Whoever goes first.
So, what we're going to do, we're going to do rock, paper, scissors, shoot. And whoever wins it gets to pick the color or whatever item we need to pick. And then the other person has to guess and hopefully pick the same thing they pick. If they pick the same thing that the other person picked, then they get a point. But if they do not pick the same thing, then the other person gets a point. Okay? Yeah. So let's go ahead and get started.
Let's do rock, paper, scissors, shoot first.
So let's go ahead and do rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh, Skyla gets to pick the first thing.
Sit down. Okay.
So Skyla, go ahead and pick out what color glitter glue you're doing. Okay, Levi, what color you think? Don't say it out loud though. What color you think she gonna pick? Okay. So when I count to 3, hold up what y'all picked. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Hold it up.
No!
He picked what you picked. So therefore, Levi gets a point because he picked right. All right, so let's open it up. Okay, go ahead.
Okay, guys, so we got the glue open. Now we're gonna pour it into our bowl. Now let's do it.
Okay, so now Levi has 1 point and Skyla has 0 points. Okay, she still can come back though.
Yes.
We still got like 2 more rounds. So for the next round, we're going to pick some, I don't know what to call it, sequence things.
Yeah, sequence.
So we have the red sequence,
Green sequence and orange sequence.
and orange. So just so you guys can kind of see it, it's kind of like sparkly.
Yeah.
Some sparkly stuff. Okay. So stand up. We're gonna do the rock, paper, scissors. Paper, scissors, shoot. Levi. Levi won. Levi, don't say it out loud, okay? Point to the one you're going to pick. Just point. Don't say it. Okay. Skyla, which one do you think your brother's gonna pick? You sure? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Hold it up.
Yes! I got it right.
Skyla got it right. So she gets a point. So now y'all all tied.
Now let's open this.
Yeah. Okay guys, so for round 3, so far Skyla has a point and Levi has a point, so we are tied. I guess they can read each other's minds, huh? So for the next round we have
Eyeballs.
some little googly eyeballs. We have some light blue glitter, and then we have some purple glitter. So you guys can stand up. Hold on.
Yeah.
Okay, let's rock, paper, scissors it out. Come on, rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh, Skyla gets a pick. So Skyla, point to what you are. Okay. Levi, point to what you think she's going to pick. Just point. Don't say it out loud. Okay. So be very, very careful when picking up any of these items. 1, 2, 3. Oh,
yes!
Skyla gets a point. point because Levi did not guess right. Go ahead and put it in your bowl, Levi.
I got 2 points.
All right, let's look at Skyla's slime.
Just dump it in. Mine look great.
It will do look great.
Mine look okay.
Mine look sparkly. I love it. It looks good.
Nah. I just wasted it.
You wasted.
It's okay. I did this. That's what I did. I just jumped it like this. I got it. I got 2 points.
Okay, so now we're going to add the magic liquid, and that is what's going to help it turn into slime.
Yes.
Okay, so I'm going to add this into this, and Skyla is going to grab 2 spoons so she can mix up the slime. Go.
I hope you like our video. Subscribe, click that bell button, comment down below whose slime looks the best, mine or Levi's.
All right, guys. So we'll see you guys in the next video.
Bye.